Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, amazing, wonderful in your life, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your bonus love reading for the month of April 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general bonus messages and the reading, not messages, sorry, bonus love reading. So it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I have already uploaded your general reading, your love reading, your main readings. You can have a look on that too. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. So now let's see what are the messages, what are the reading, what is the reading, what are the extended, what are the bonus love messages for Aquarius for the month of April 2021. And let's start your reading. Let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. So what are the messages? Gratitude. Be grateful for all you have. And that's very much required, very important thing, Aquarius. Letting go. Make the best choices. Okay. So you need to let go here, Aquarius. Learn to let go anything on which you are still holding on. You need to learn how to let go things, how to let go people. So you need to let go here. Always have an attitude of gratitude. Say thank you to the universe, to the divine for all those things which you are having in your life. So always pay gratitude to the divine. Be grateful for all you have in your life. Then there is choices. Make the best choices. So you have to make some kind of decision or the choice in your life, and if you are making some kind of choices, so make the best choices in your life. Okay, so now let's see more messages. What are the messages for my Aquarius for April 2021? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Okay, there is death, there is dragonfly, and there is birth. Wow, beautiful. There is death and birth both. Okay, so old things are going to end in your life and new things are coming for you. Okay, death and rebirth energy is here. Okay, so death and rebirth is here. Natural endings abound. Take care of your health. Beautiful. Then there is dragonfly. Have confidence during this time of great joy, renewal and connection to the spirit. This is beautiful. And there is birth. Universal energy brings you opportunities and possibilities. So these are the beautiful messages I'm getting for you, Aquarius. These are beautiful messages. Let's see more messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages. What are the messages for Aquarius April? Success and thunderbolt wants to come out. So success is coming towards you, Aquarius. Some kind of tower movement is happening for you. Okay, so now let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for this reading. Rightness. So soon you're going to receive the reward of your hard work. Okay, and maybe you are fighting with your own thoughts here, Aquarius. Okay, and you're feeling sorrow for someone, but don't worry. With that person you are having the past life connection here. With that person you are having past life connection. Maybe right now you're feeling very sorrow, sad without this person, but don't worry, you are going to receive the rewards of your hard work, the ripeness. Okay, the sweet rewards are coming for you. Don't indulge in your mind thoughts, okay, because you are fighting with your own mind thoughts. So stop fighting with your mind thoughts, stop overthinking, because you are overthinking a lot. Totality, ordinariness, and completion. So you are completing a cycle here: completion, ordinariness, and totalness. Follow the simplicity of the life, and there is completion which is happening for you. Okay, you're completing a cycle with someone, or in your life in general, you're completing out a cycle. So let's see what is the message. Thank you for giving the message. One message from Super Attractor. Okay, please give me one message for Aquarius for this reading. I got two message. Okay. I am in awe of magnificent guidance that is available to me. Okay, so guidance is available to you, and you are very much grateful for that. Pay gratitude for that. Okay, to begin the practice of allowing, I must get out of the way and let spirit give me the direction. Okay, so you need to give a surrender, okay, to the divine, to the spirit, to the universe, so that they can work, okay, for you. So beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add one message from Everyday Miracles. What is the message for Aquarius for this reading? The Holy Spirit speaks throughout the day to me. The Holy Spirit voice is as loud as your willingness to listen. Sorry. So the Holy Spirit voice is as loud as your willingness to listen. Okay, if you're willing to listen, you will listen the voice of Holy Spirit. So that's the message I'm getting for you. Beautiful message. I love it. Thank you. Let's add some healing mantra. Healing mantra for Aquarius. Overcoming fear, sharing shame, amplifying abundance, integrating the ego. So you are overcoming fear. You need to overcome the fear. I will transcend every loss. Okay, you have to sharing shame. When I share my deepest pain, I give myself permission to be. Okay, so you need to overcome your fear, and you have to share your deepest pain. Okay, then there is amplifying abundance. Abundance is my birthright, and I am receiving it right now. 0808 recording reading time. You can use these sentence in your daily affirmations. Integrating the ego. Everything is for me, not against me. And that's very important to know, that everything is happening happening for you, Aquarius. It is the universe, the divine is not against you. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving it. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add one message from the crystal spirits. Let's see what one message for Aquarius. I got two. Petalite and watermelon tourmaline. Okay, let's see the message. This is petalite. Petalite. This is the impersonal quality of the universe, witnessing the observer and ability to detach. Sometimes life feels too close for comfort. Decisions are difficult to make when you are taking life so personally. This is particularly true for empaths and sensitives. When petalite spirit arrives, it's here to give you the ability to step back and observe with detachment and neutrality. There is a place within you that allows you to observe without emotion. See the world with the perspective of acceptance, trying to change not what you see as external to you, but rather than the lens through which you perceive it. Now is the time to step back and observe what is in front of you. Are you reacting to something that is triggering you, or are you overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information that you need to process and the time required to sort things out? Petalite spirit reminds you that a clear, detached manner will empower you to understand the true nature of it is in front of you now, and to take your next steps in your own time. This is beautiful message. This is beautiful message. So you need to get detached and see the things from a higher perspective, from a bigger picture. Okay, see the bigger picture. Then there is watermelon tourmaline, seeing perfection in the moment, basking the bliss of just being, natural joy and a peaceful heart. Watermelon tourmaline spirits comes bearing the message that the divine order supports you in experiencing your bliss. Notice the perfection in this moment, that unbreakable connection to the universe consciousness within you. The you conscious universe is here to guide you, so you may feel and experience bliss as it radiates outward. Your outer conditions will soon respond with the reflection of your natural joy and your peaceful heart. Forget the small stuff today and simply be present, feeling your bliss, experiencing that you are where you need to be, filled with joy, enthusiasm, and optimism right now. Yes, problem exists and always will be, but watermelon tourmaline spirit is here to remind you that they do not have to define your experience in this life, and you are extremely powerful healer and creator. So let joy and peace arise within you. You are asked now to acknowledge your creative power and your ability to collaborate in great healing work for all. Beautiful. Don't let your ego distract you from the pleasure of knowing that each moment you are here, you have the distinct honor of being able to contribute to the healing of the planet and all creatures. Life is good and getting better every moment. This is beautiful. 1212 was a recording reading time. This is wonderful message. Thank you, Crystal Spirits, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what is the message from the grace cards. What is the message? Direction, chance, and dance. Chance and dance. Okay. See, direction. Look for clues. Grace will lead us to the exact events and experiences we need at the at precisely the right timing. Okay. Then there is chance. Take the leap of faith, Aquarius. Divine protection is always there by your side. So you need to take a leap of faith and move in the forward direction. There is dance. When we ask for the guidance, take action and put our faith in the outcome. We cannot yet see, we have begun to dance with grace. So beautiful message from the grace cards. Thank you, grace cards, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add one message or two message from the fairies. What are the messages for Aquarius for this reading? What are the message? Purity, one more. Transformation. And you can have a look in your main reading too, your general reading. The transformation card came for you for twice, and this is the third time I'm receiving the transformation. This fairy tells you to surrender to the transformation in your life that's happening for your highest good. Embrace your transformation. The best is yet to come. So transformation is taking place here, Aquarius. Enjoy your transformation. Transformation is beautiful. There is purity. Always trust in the purity of your heart. Look inside your heart, and within it you will find all the answers to your questions. So you will find all the answers to your question inside your heart. That's the message. Thank you, fairies, for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the energy oracle deck. Please give me the message for Aquarius. Door to value. The garden and the gate. Strategy, goddess of the moon. Storm warning, envy. temple path. Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. First chakra, Archangel Michael. Walking away the world. Okay. Too many cards. Anxiety. Journey. Bottom of the deck, I'm having yin and yang. You're dealing with your divine counterpart. There is man holding a coin. This can be someone who is financially stable. Okay, they can be financially grounded, stable. Now their third chakra is opening up. Okay, their third chakra is opening up and they're coming towards you to communicate with you. Okay, so now let's see. So there is someone around you who is jealous here, Aquarius. There is someone around you who is jealous with you. Envy, jealous is here. And you are choosing the temple path here. You are doing your spiritual journey. You are doing your inner work. You're doing your meditation, and that's beautiful. Because of your inner work, because of your meditation, your chakras are getting activated. Third chakra, your first chakra, your fourth chakra, your heart chakra, your base chakra, okay, your first chakra and your third chakra, okay, the solar plexus chakra is getting activated for you. So now stable security and the heart chakra, okay, the love is going to come towards you. You will feel more love and all. You are walking away from someone here, Aquarius, and you're closing out a cycle with a person. Here, can you see? There is goddess of the moon, which tells me that there is intuition which is available for you. Okay, there's a lot of signs, there is a lot of intuition which is there for you. Right now, maybe you're feeling like anxiety. Okay, some of you are feeling anxiety that what will happen next and all. But don't worry, Aquarius, you are holding the key. Okay, you are wearing a key in the neck, in your neck. You have the solution. That means you can open the gate of this garden by using the key which you are already having here, the garden and the gate. That's the strategy which is written by the divine for you. Here there is door to value and there is new journey which is opening up for you. A new chapter of your life is going to start here. Door to value, abundance is coming for you. So beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from your native spirits. What is the message for Aquarius? Tribal spirit dancer. Okay, tribal spirit dancer. Let go. Just say yes to life. Be daring. Dance to your heart desire. Unfurl your wings and fly. Cast aside conventions and restrictions. Tune into the rhythm of life. Love. Explore. Go beyond your predictable behavior. Sometimes life is messy and chaotic, and that's okay. Leave the dishes. Run outside into the sprinkles. Okay. Turn on music and move. So just freely enjoy your life, Aquarius. That's the message I'm getting here for you, and that's very beautiful message. Thank you, native spirits, for giving the beautiful message. Let's see some messages from Crazy Sexy Love Notes. Okay, what is the message for Aquarius for this reading? What is the message? Slow down. See, simple message. You need to take rest, break, and enjoy your life. Okay. Slow down yourself. Breathe deeply and stop comparing yourself with others. Okay. Apple don't compare themselves to orange. So stop comparing. You are unique. Accept yourself. Don't compare. Slow down and breathe deeply here, Aquarius. You need to take a break and enjoy yourself in nature. Spend some time in nature. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the message. Anything left? Yes. So let's add some message from Life Loves You, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Okay. What is the message for Aquarius? Love is my teacher and I listen to the wisdom of my body. Think of someone you care for deeply. Ask love to show you how to make your relationship sweeter and more loving. So love is my teacher, and there is I listen to the wisdom of my body. Your body has a message for you, Aquarius. Listen to what it is telling you. Thank you, body, for being the perfect messenger. So these are the messages from this deck, and thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. I try my level best to deliver all the messages which was important to deliver. Sending you lots of healing light, love and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.